The FUW are very proud to be able to sponsor the virtual Steddfod uh, in Wales this year. Um, I understand that it has been a very trying time for young farmers, but we are delighted that the young farmers have taken the steps of make sure the Eisteddfod is been held virtually. The Eisteddfod and the public speaking are very important to create some understanding in our young farmers that they will be able to have confidence in speaking in front of audience after having the experience through the medium of the Young Farmers Movement. Indeed, I do ask the question that probably if I hadn't had the opportunity to do these things through the medium of the Young Farmers, I probably wouldn't be the president of the Farmers Union of Wales today. On that note, can I wish you all the best today in this Steddfod and wish you every success in the future. Thank you.